Hey there everyone, welcome to today's video. It's a YouTube tutor here, and today I'm gonna take you through how to get 47 squared in this simple trick. So to start with, we take our first digit, which is 4. 4 squared gives us 16. So we can write 16 at one side of the board. The next thing we are going to do is take the next number, 7, and square 7. 7 squared gives us 49. So we combine 49 with the 16. And the next thing we are going to do is multiply 4 by 7 and by the exponent. So 4 times 7 gives us 28, and times 2 gives us what? 56. So we can now write 56 under this and add a 0 to the end and sum it all up. 9 plus 0 gives us 9. 6 plus 4 gives us 10. You write 0 and bring 1 here. 6 plus 6 gives us 12. So 2, remember 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So we can conclude that 47 squared is 2,209. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye bye.